to me, Christianity is a white man's religion. I just don't understand how some black people would forsake their African roots and African culture for a white man's religion. These people are clearly colonized. Their minds have been colonized and they need to be liberated. Like, come on, black child, wake up. Wake up, child of the soil. It's time for you to go back to your African roots and get to know yourself. Hey. Wow, that is so rich, coming from the same group of people who have spent 16 years plus more of their lives learning in schools that have been established by the white man. The same group of people that spends the rest of their lives working in the white man's corporate world, or establishing businesses that are run using the white man's techniques, the white man's technologies, and the white man's methodology. Don't you know that the white man didn't just come with the Bible? Like, he brought a lot of things with him. And it is so interesting how the woke black child is more than willing to accept everything else that the white man brought with him except for the Bible. The woke black child has adopted the white man's educational system and forsook his own African initiation schools. The woke black child forsook traditional healers and chooses to go to contemporary doctors for medication. It's like the woke black child trusts the white man with his own health, with his own life. The woke black child uses the white man's standard of success to measure his own. The woke black child uses the white man's banking system instead of his old one prior to the arrival of the white missionary. The woke black child uses the white man's system of governance to rule his own people and his own country instead of using the one that was used by his royal ancestors long before the white man came to the land. Refill. Refill, please. Now, you have played yourself big time if you think that black African Christians are the only group of people that are colonized just because they rejected African spirituality. Now, the issue is not that Christianity is a white man's religion. The real issue is the standards of Jesus, which are against your fleshly desires. You love sin too much and you hate righteousness. The Bible has revealed you. It has exposed that you are wicked. Repent or perish.